Hello kids. Welcome to PS classes. Our objective is to create love for education. Let's begin with the video.
Hello students. Today we will learn the sound of G as in gate. Now we will see some of the examples. G says G as in gate. G says G as in gift. G says G as in goat. G says G as in gold. G says G as in guitar. G says G as in gun. G says G as in bag. G says G as in dog. G says G as in flag. G says G as in frog. G says G as in mug. G says G as in pig. Now we will see the initial position. G says G as in gate. G, G, gate. G says G as in gift. G, G, gift. G says G as in goat. G, G, goat. G says G as in gold. G, G, gold. G says G as in guitar. G, G, guitar. G says G as in gun. G, G, gun. Final position. G says G as in bag. G, G, bag. G says G as in dog. G, G, dog. G says G as in flag. G, G, flag. G says G as in frog. G, G, frog. G says G as in mug. G, G, mug. G says G as in pig. G, G, pig.